Welcome to Quick Tips for thinkorswim. I'm Connie Hill, Senior Manager, Trading and Derivatives with Charles Schwab. Today's quick tip is how to make a simple edit in a thinkScript. What we discuss is for educational and informational purposes today. Don't consider it a recommendation. We're going to start here on a Tesla chart. And in the upper left-hand corner, you can see some colored blocks. A couple of these are red, then we've got some green. The red we can make out what it's saying there. But the green, man, that's really hard to read. So the little edit that we're going to do is to change the color of the red and the green blocks so that it's easier to see on a light background. We're going to head over to My Studies, and the script we're going to experiment with here and edit is called Labels Perform. There's not a lock on the scroll. That means we can edit it. If there's a lock, you can't edit it. I'm going to go ahead, select on the lock, or the scroll rather, and then you do have to know a little bit about the script. You have to know, what is it that you really want to change. In our case, we want to do a change here to the color. Now, some calculations take place here at the top, and then towards the bottom of them, we start seeing Add Label, and that are these calculations up here. So what we're going to do to this very first label, we're going to come over in front of the word green, and we're just going to type dark underscore. That's all we're going to do is just change it so that it's dark. So I'm going to highlight that, and then we're going to just do a quick copy paste. We're going to make that red a dark red, this green a dark green, and this one, this red, a dark red. And we're just going to adjust the rest of this label here with that simple change, just changing and adding the word dark underscore before the color. Now in this one, it has another one that's a light gray. We're not going to worry about the light gray one. We're just concerned with the reds and the greens here. And just a couple more. Here's one for a last red, and here's one for a last green. Okay. Now, we have changed this script. However, we kind of would like it to be a separate script. So maybe I have one for a light background and one for the dark background. So for this one that's the light background, we're going to click here and say Save as New Script. I'm going to select on that, and then I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it underscore DARK, all bold. That's going to let me know that the colors are the darker colors so that it would be visible, better visible on a lighter background. So let's go ahead. We're going to hit Save here. And then I want to hit Apply, and I want you to see behind me, yeah, these colored blocks change. See how much easier that dark green and dark red is to see on this lighter colored background. Now, let's go back to the idea that maybe we still wanted to keep the original script without the darks in it. Ooh, well, we just changed it. How are we going to accommodate that? Well, thinkorswim has some nice functionality here where it's going to show us our change history. So we're going to click on the current version, which is what we're looking at, and we can go back to a previous version from earlier today or from yesterday when I was experimenting. We could even go back here to January if we wanted to, January of 25. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the top one because that was the most recent formula before we did some editing on it. And notice that where it says green here, it doesn't say dark green anymore. It went to the version before we made our changes. So we're going to select here and say restore this version. And notice the dark on the labels is disappeared. It's just regular red, regular green instead of having the dark red. Now I'm going to go ahead and we're going to select OK here. And I'm going to just kind of move this down, and let's hit Apply. And we're seeing the new set of labels and the previous set because I've got both of those studies on here. So for my purposes, I'm going to get rid of the original one. We're just going to keep the dark one. I'm going to select OK, and you have now just learned how to make a simple change in a script. Now, you do have to have a little bit of knowledge about what you would want changed about the script, what you want to see different. And so that does take a little bit of knowledge. But what I want you to know is that when you come across a script that maybe somebody has shared with you, and you do want to tweak it, that there is the ability to make those small little changes, and you can name it something else and even experiment with what it is that you're changing. So just this little demonstration, I hope, gives you a little bit of confidence to do that the next time you come across the script. Now, I will paste in the show notes copies to those links to those scripts. Remember, they're never guaranteed as to accuracy or timing when we share those scripts with you. Well, hopefully this gives you a little bit of confidence.